I'm doing an update on the 3D printed purses. This was the first one. This was the second one with my logo. This was the next sample made out of PETG filament. This one got a little lopsided during printing, you can kind of see. And here is the latest and final 3D print bag sample. It is made with translucent red PETG filament. This took about 35 hours to print the bottom and about 4 hours to print the top here. I got this black woven cotton webbing tape for the strap. I added some hardware, 2 metal sliders to make it adjustable here and here. I first thought about nylon webbing tape for the strap because it tends to be stronger than cotton, but it ended up being too stiff. Because of the stiffness, it didn't work well with the metal sliders and it isn't as comfortable to wear on the shoulder. So I went with the cotton webbing tape. I kept the double strap feature so that it can be worn, crossbody or on the shoulder, a shortened strap kind of like this. Because it's translucent, you can see light through the walls of the bag. I added some LED lights on the inside of the lid to play around with the light and the translucency. It lights up really well, especially in the dark. I didn't think there was a function to lighting up the purse and just thought of it as a more fun detail, but it ends up being really handy when you're in a dark place and you need to find something in your purse. It just lights up the whole inside so you can find things really easily. It weighs about 1 pound, 6 ounces. This includes the strap and the LED lights. I wanted to get it under a pound, but I'm happy with the weight it is now, including all the components. This filament comes in other colors. I wanted to try a clear translucent. I thought it would be fun and probably more translucent than the red, so even more light can get through. And maybe a solid non-translucent black, just because you can't go wrong with solid black. I'm pretty happy with this sample and I'm excited to continue developing other bags and items using 3D printing. I'll have this available for sale on my Etsy shop if you want one. The link is below in the description. Let me know what you think of this development below in the comments. What would you do differently? And as always, subscribe and click the little bell icon to be notified when new videos are released.